Hello and welcome to Contractor's Point of View. My name is Gary. Something a little out of the ordinary today. We're going to be doing an unboxing of a LTO-6.0 lithium battery from Down4Sound. And I don't even know if this is going to be interesting at all. I just figured I would show you what comes in the box from Down4Sound. I know a lot of people question whether or not they should get stuff from Down4Sound, and I can tell you I wouldn't hesitate. Ordered the LTO. They sent me a sticker. I picked white. Oh, and I got a red. Actually, this one might come for the amp too. So I got the red and the white. Love it. It's gonna go on the box. More packing. And then it comes with your digital voltmeter. Okay, I forgot this knife is super sharp. I just stabbed myself. So you get your voltmeter, and they come in different colors. So that's going to be in there somewhere. Oh, there's another one because this is part one of two. I should have asked for a red lanyard. I need a red lanyard, but that's okay. Got a black lanyard now. Look at that. Happy days. All right, so this is kind of weird because this is one of the bolts to screw into the LTO. Okay, so then they sent me 2 t-shirts to go with it. I don't know if you'll be able to see this. Down4Sound. It's always nice to get cool stuff in the box. There's your Down4Sound t-shirt. Boom. That's one of them. Because I did have 2 items that I ordered. So, and this one's the same, just a gray one. Cool. Okay, I'm good with that. And then here's your other LTO bolt. And then the battery itself. Okay, so the good thing about the LTO lithium batteries, you can put it in any position. It is sealed, and you get your read before use. It talks about charging the battery. It can't be charged over a certain voltage. I do have the Down4Sound charger that allows it to charge. Has a limited warranty as well. Okay, and here it is. Oh, hard it is to grab these things out, not shake the camera and everything else that goes with it. Alright, so there you go. That's what's in the box. Your Down4Sound LTO 6.0, and you see there's nothing else in there but padding. So this is for running a car amplifier system ranging between 3,000 and 5,000 watts. I already have one LTO and a 280 amp alternator. So this paired with my JP43 amplifier that I just got and my Rockford Fosgate 600 watt amplifier, this will be able to maintain the power. And it looks small, and the first time I saw it, I mean, because if you look, this is my knife and it's tiny. Yeah, so this is my wallet. And you can see it's a small battery, okay? But, and you might be thinking, is it really worth that much money? Well, I definitely saw a major difference when I put it on my truck for the JP23. Now the JP23 was causing my system to run down to about 12 volts even when I would hit some of the major notes. After I added the first LTO 6.0, it would not get below 13.5. So it boosted it enough to where I can play the system and it won't get below 13.5 volts. So I'm hoping adding this by itself, or adding this with the other one, will allow my JP43 to play somewhere in the 13 volt range. I know I'm not going to get 14 volts with my alternator that I have, but that's something I'm willing to live with until I get something better. Anyway, just wanted to show you what was in the box, some of the goodies they send, voltmeters, And that's one of the things, you can't tell them you don't want any more voltage. I've got at least a dozen of these, so you have to choose it. And but I'm always good for stickers too. I love the stickers, and these feel different too. That's interesting. They look better than the other ones I had. So that's it for the Down4Sound LTO 6.0, and then you can put your brackets on there, combining them together and make them work together. So until next time, stay safe.